Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jojo Palacio and on this channel we talk about all things beauty. Today we are creating this look right here. It is a transfer proof, long wearing, everyday fall glam moment. We have no lashes on today, people. No lashes on, but it was a soft glam everyday. Like, I'm getting ready to run some errands. I have an event for my business going on today. So I felt like I wanted to do something soft that let the skin kind of poke through and have its moment, but still look beautiful and glam and slaying, you know? You know what I mean? So today's video is totally fall, totally glam. We're gonna get into the video tutorial now. However, I do wanna encourage you guys to stop for a minute and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We have goals to get to 1,000 subscribers by 2021 on this channel, and there's a few ways that you can help us do that. One is by subscribing. That way you are notified of when I post new videos every single week, 3 times a week. Secondly, you can like this video and comment down below. That way YouTube knows that this is content you want to see and maybe others want to see as well. So subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment down below. And if you want to find out how to get this super simple, quick and easy everyday look, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, good morning. So today I have a pretty busy day and I'm getting started by doing some glam that I need to last all day. So this is gonna be a quick and simple look, but something that's gonna be transfer proof and long wearing, which is really important, I feel like, for most of us. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have time to redo my makeup or touch up in between, and I don't even carry a purse. Anybody else? Comment down below. Am I just a weird one? I don't carry a purse, and I just feel like it's super inconvenient. So I want my makeup to look good and last all day. So to do that, we are going to use some really very common products on my channel. If you're not new, you know these. You know that they work well for me. So my skin is prepped. I already have my serums and my SPF and my moisturizer on. That's just, at the beginning, that's really the most important thing for you to do when you're trying to make your makeup last all day. Your skincare needs to be on point. And the skincare is determined based off of your skin type. So regardless of what I use, you want something recommended based off of your skin type. So if you want any recommendations, comment down below or send me a DM. I have my Instagram and Facebook posted in the comments or in the description box so you guys can connect with me. So we're gonna start with prepping the skin. These two are my choice today. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More, which I trust nothing else for my midsection. This is gonna help to control the oil, but also hide and blur my pores. I do have larger pores, just like everyone else, in the midsections. And so when clients come to me with that concern of being very porous, I recommend that. And then because I am wearing a matte foundation, matte foundations are gonna give you the most longevity as far as lasting and not moving around underneath of masks. However, if you do not like a completely, totally matte finish, just like me, you're gonna use something like this, which is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer, to help kind of offset. So it's gonna give your skin hydration, it's gonna give it a pearlescent glow. Not that I need anymore, but I just wanna make sure that it does not completely mattify my complexion. So we're gonna see how this works, just because I went ahead and did my hair prior to doing my makeup, not knowing that I was gonna do my makeup, but I am. So for foundation, I really like this guy. There's a couple of new foundations that I've tried out and I love. This one is the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. It is a 24-hour oil-free, oil-controlling, waterproof, and transfer-proof foundation. Believe me, it is transfer proof. The other day I went out to dinner and I had a full face of glam. That video actually is my most recent video. I'll link it here. And let me tell you what, I put on a mask just so that we can walk through the restaurant and, you know, be safe. And when I pulled off the mask, the first thing I did was look at the inside of the mask and there was no makeup. Zero makeup on it, which is impressive because I was wearing a full face of makeup. So awesome. So next we're gonna cream contour and bronze. I use these guys for that. So this is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in the shade Medium Tan. I just use it as a bronzing cream product. And then here I have the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Beautiful Bronze. So one is to bronze, the other one is to contour. I'm gonna use the medium shade to bronze up the face. I love using stick foundations or concealers to warm up, bronze up the face. I just feel like the formulas work better together. If you're someone who has had issues getting a good bronzing shade or getting a good bronzing formula and it doesn't look chalky or chunky, you might want to try using your favorite stick foundation. This one's a really good one from Sephora, but there's also some good ones from the drugstore, like the Maybelline has a few good ones. Ugh. I'm like stressing out right now because I know that I'm gonna mess up my hair. So my blend isn't gonna be on point because I'm so stressed out. By the way, I'm using the Moroccan oil or Moroccan, is it oil or Moroccan hairspray? I don't know that the oil is in the branding, but it's actually really good. It smells really good and it's like holding, you know? It's nice, I'm liking it. Now, let's do a little bit of contouring. So I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze just on the cheekbone area to help me further contour, and you want to keep this a little higher than the cheekbone. That's just going to help the blend better, and you want to push up instead of pushing down. Up towards the eye, hairline. So for concealer, I've been obsessed with this concealer. This is another one that I got in my gratis. This is the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer and Eraser. Now I will say that I am super impressed. I never thought that I would like a Clinique product this much. But this is amazing. The coverage is so good. The formula is really good. It like sets itself. You don't really need powder. It blurs out. I mean, it's just an overall really good concealer. And the nice thing is that it's Clinique, so you know that it's going to be hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, safe for sensitive skin. It's just something, breath of fresh air from Clinique. So I'm going to use my Hank & Henry sponge to just blend this out. Now I might use a little more of this concealer. I use it in the shade Ivory. The reason being is this concealer is my concealing shade or my color correcting shade, so it'll help to hide away any pink or redness or purple, blue tones under the eyes. But because I'm going for a more everyday natural look, I might just use a little more of this concealer versus my highlighting concealer, if that makes sense, hopefully. So you see how easy that blends? I'm not working super hard. It covers. It's just so good. All right, guys, awesome. And then I did mention using a little bit underneath of my contour to help clean that up, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna take that with my buffing brush, my Real Techniques Deluxe brush, and I'm just gonna put that right underneath here to help blend this out and contour it up some. I'm loving it. We're gonna set just a little bit with powder, not that this look requires it, but I'm gonna use a little bit of the JoJo powder combination. If you guys don't know what that is, it is a mix of powders like the RCMA translucent powder, and then there's also two Maybelline Fit Me translucent powders in there. There is the fair and then the light. I love that powder combination to help me set my makeup. The powders just blend perfectly. The color is perfect. It doesn't leave a white cast or some awkward shadow. It is just so nice. So to finish up the complexion, I'm going to use this guy right here. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Face Palette. And they have amazing bronzers, blushes, highlights. We're going to use this highlight right here, which is Glimmer of BS, to give us a little bit of highlighting moment. I like to apply the highlight in the shape of a C, so it's the cheekbone and then above the brow. Most of the product does go on the cheekbone though, just so that you are bringing the attention towards the top parts of your cheekbone. Look at that. It's very subtle, very pretty. I mean, you could barely, it doesn't really have super reflectiveness to it. Like if I saw that on the palette, I'd be like, meh, but look at this. I like it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put blush in between the bronzer and the highlight just to kind of marry the two together. And so I'm gonna take Hush Blush and Mirror Mirror, which are the two blushes in this palette, and we're just gonna apply those. I like to use angled brushes just because it gets right into that cheekbone area. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Chocolate. I will link my everyday brow routine above here. I just like to skip through this part. All right, guys, so brows are on, boom, magic of editing. So we're gonna move on to a simple, super simple eye look. We're gonna use the Morphe 25B palette. I've been really liking this palette recently, like a lot. So I'm gonna take my V Makeup Shack brush in T59, and this shade in the corner here, which is like a warm tan light orange shade. I don't even know how to explain it, but we're just gonna take that on my brush and we're just gonna work that in circular motions all over the crease area. And it's okay if it gets onto the lid, just because I'm thinking we are gonna just use one shadow today to keep it super simple and super quick. So I do want to do the outer corner lifted up, so when I'm blending this up, I will definitely flick it and then bring that into the crease area. That way it'll be lifted. Since we did the eyes last, you want to be very careful with the application. You don't want anything to fall too low, because then it'll make your eyes just look sad, or just opposite of what we're trying to do, which is lift. And so I said I was going to do one color, but I'm not. You guys know me, you know this. We're gonna take the Morphe M433 and the warm brown orange shade right below the first one that we just used. And we're gonna just put that in the outer corner, blend that up into the crease. Again, just to kind of give the look some dimension, we're gonna flick that up a little bit, just a little faux wing moment, like it. Yeah, we'll do like a little shimmer moment, just a light. Light. So we're gonna take this shade that's right in the center there. It looks brown, but it comes off like a coppery light shimmer in person. So I'm gonna just put that all over the inner corner of the lid and just kind of swipe it towards the outer corner. Okay, and then with this M433, I'm not adding any more product. We're just gonna blend the outer edges of that to help really reduce any type of defined lines, or maybe the shimmer just kind of went over the crease area. This will help to kind of reinforce it. So that's gonna be pretty much it for the eye look. I'm just gonna repeat the same thing I did on the top to the bottom. I love this. Oh, such an easy, quick look. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of mascara. I'm debating whether I want liner. I think I do want a little bit of liner, so I'm gonna put on some of my Urban Decay Demolition liner, just in the outer corner. All right, guys, so we just flicked the wings out just a little bit, nothing major. And then we're gonna put on some mascara. And today I'm honestly just using mascara. There's not gonna be any liner. So I love to use the Huda Beauty Legit Lash Mascara for days like this, because we've got two mascaras in one. There's a lengthening side and a volumizing side, which I love. So I start by using the length and curl side. Get a good coat of mascara with this. All right, guys, this is it after just having the one side. Now we're gonna go into the volumizing side, which is a different brush and a different formula. Boom, look at how refreshing that skin looks. And it's, I mean, definitely a warm, light glam moment, but look at how refreshing. So the last thing we have to do, honestly, is just put a little bit. So we're gonna do a little bit of inner corner highlight and then pick a lip color, and you and I are glammed up and done. How quick was that? This inner corner highlight is from the Pretty Vulgar palette, the face palette that we just got done using. I'm gonna do a little bit of here, same thing here. This complexion is ridiculous. I love it. We're going all in today for the fall look. We're using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour and Liquid Lipstick in Spice Girl. So I'm gonna just take my lip liner and go over it. That's it, guys, we are done. So this is the finished look right here for our everyday, simple, quick, long wearing, transfer proof makeup. Like, this is perfect for fall and for every day. It's a soft, natural look. We did no lashes today, what? But we still killed it. Like, this is a fall moment. I hope that you guys liked this look. I hope you liked how quick and simple it was. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara if you've tried it. And if you haven't, go get you one, because it is absolutely worth it. Every penny. You're getting two formulas, two brushes, two completely different mascaras for the price of one, which is insane. So go check that out, guys. That is it for today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, every single week. That way you and I get to connect, we get to glam, we get to do beauty together. And like always, love you, bless you. I'll see you guys next time.